Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. On this video, I am trying to make homemade kielbasa. So let's get going. All right, we're gonna be starting out with some fresh chuck, some pork butt, and some pork belly. We'll get those all cubed up. We'll get them thrown into a, this is the Turbo Force 2 STX meat grinder using the large grind on it. We'll get that ground up for the first run. So along with that meat that we're grinding, I also added about 4 cloves of garlic, some nice cloves, some nice big cloves of garlic to get that ground through with the meat. Then we added some dried marjoram, some black pepper, some salt, and cure number 1 or pink salt. We added that, and then we added about a cup of cold water, and we just got that mixed up by hand. Then we went and ran it through the sausage stuffer or the grinder again, but with the sausage stuffer on with some natural hog casings that I soaked in water, made it easier to get on, and we just ran it through. And the beauty of this machine is that it comes with a foot pedal that you can, it makes it easier to control it. We went ahead and used the RT700 with the smokebox. We set the temp to about 285, which brought the smoke temp to about 145. We got the sausage on, and we let it smoke at 145 for about, this one took about 5, almost 6 hours. And we were looking for an internal temp of 150, 154 degrees. After about 6 hours, we were done. Now at this point, you can go ahead and pull these and just let them cool. Or you can, I'm hearing some people like to just put them right into an ice bath. I did one ice bath, one not, and I really didn't see much of a difference. I mean, if you had to say something, it would take away a little bit of the smoke flavor. But after that, I just let it cool, and I went ahead and vacuum packed it for about a day, and this is what we have. I actually took some, and I took one link, sliced it up, and then just threw it on the skillet, put some color to it. But usually we like to have this for the holidays, and we'll throw this on the grill, get it grilled up, and then slice it, and then serve it with some cheese. We do that every year. So this year I'm actually gonna make it homemade, but this is what we got. Beautiful, nice color, smoky. It just looks incredible. And that tastes like kielbasa. That's incredible. This is the first time making kielbasa. I've made andouille sausage. I think I've even made homemade brats. But I really want to get into different sausages because you can come up with so many different ideas. Just so many different flavors, you know, adding spinach or basil or peppers and cheese and all different kinds of meats you can use. I thought it'd be really cool to get into sausage making. So this was my first attempt at kielbasa. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.